Hi guys, today I'm Bella and this is my cousin Hermione and Harmon. So we're gonna be playing this game. So shall we start?
Playtime.
Yes it is. So shall we start?
and the neurons.
Okay, so shall we start? Me first and then it's gonna be my cousin. Who's first? Harmon or me? Before you were first, it's gonna be Harmon, okay? And then it's my cousin Harmon, and then it's my cousin Hermione. So let's start. This is wrong, so let's put it up. Look, you don't need to press it, it'll go by itself.
Nice jump.
See? You can just relax. But you have to press
Excellent.
this to, if you want to. This is meant to be up. Okay, so let's play up. Let's go up.
Nice jump.
Thanks. Anyways, I just
Door
want to
is
press it,
open.
that's why. Anyway,
Good job.
can they see? Oh no, I'm gonna bash. Oh no, I'm gonna bash. Oh no.
Oh dear,
Oh,
the
no.
robot has crashed. Which instruction made the robot crash?
Yes, this is the first one.
Can you fix
This
the
is
problem?
my first ever YouTube video.
Yes, it is. Thanks. This is my first ever YouTube video. First. But you have to stop recording it.
The door is open.
Is it still recording? Is it still recording?
Yeah.
You made the robot small. You made it.
So, now.
Talking the whole time.
Okay, so
Sorry if she's not being talking.
So I'm going to press that. Now let's press that, and then let's go small.
You made the robot small.
Whoa. Anyway, after this, I want to look at the video I just did.
Brilliant.
Pardon?
You have to anyway.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So my door. My door. I think we should delete this because all of us are talking.
You made the
Yeah,
robot
you need to
small.
talk. Yeah, you're
Amber,
supposed to
you
talk.
need to talk more.
Why? You need to be
Nobody
silent.
Excellent.
Anyway.
Nobody's gonna subscribe if you don't talk.
So now let's. Oh no, I'm gonna bash again. Apparently I'm gonna bash.
Whose turn is it now?
No, when I finish this whole thing, then it's Harmon's, then it's Hermione's, then we're
It
gonna
does
keep
end.
doing it. Yes, it does end.
Looks like it's infinite. I would never play this game. CB's playtime, baby.
No, it is not. For babies.
I haven't got it.
Yes, because did you delete it?
Yeah.
Money, you've got it.
Yeah, I have.
Oh,
The door
yeah.
is open.
Can you see what she's saying?
Pardon?
Let's go up.
Well
By
done.
the way, you can call me Marnie if you want.
In the comments, you say Marnie, okay? If you want to comment or anything.
Yeah, should I start calling you Marnie for this video?
Yeah, if you want.
Oh, I need to go smaller. I know. Let's go smaller then. There. Now I can do it. Let's go up. Small. I love it when I
You
go
made the
small.
robot
Oh,
small.
I love it when it goes when I hit really
You
it's
made
so
it.
cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now who's
Brilliant.
Your
You
turn.
collected all the stars.
Hey, so do you want
The
to sit
neurons
here?
will
Sit
be
here.
very happy with those.
Okay, guys, now it's our cousin
Harmon's
Harmon's
turn.
turn.
Marmon.
Marmon.
Yeah,
Marmalade.
Left.
No! It
Level 1.
Hello, Marmalade.
I'm
not
called
Marmalade.
Make sure you subscribe to Bella and also me. her older
Computers and
brother,
robots
Racing
need
Wilson.
No, do not subscribe to him.
Check out my channel.
Do
Check out my channel, Racing Wilson. And if you're wondering how she recorded this video, I told her how to record this.
Yeah.
So she should
The
be telling
robot
you to
has
subscribe to
crashed.
me.
No.
Which instruction
Bella
made
has
the
0
robot
subscribers.
crash?
Well,
No,
I've
because
got...
I haven't
Fix
even
the
done a...
problem.
Oh, sorry. Well, I haven't even done a first video.
Yeah, well,
on YouTube.
Yeah, well, I've got 24 subscribers.
Yes, that's not a
Nice
lot,
jump.
is it? I'm gonna get 1 subscriber at least.
Subscriber is nothing wrong.
This meant to be... Oh my gosh! What is wrong? Okay. Wrongy, wrongy, wrongy. Up, 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 up. Come on,
Nice
come on.
jump.
Look at my... Harmon. Look at this.
The door is open.
shaking her bum.
Good job.
No, I'm not anymore. Poorly
Guys, I just want to enjoy the game, so just talk about the game.
Okay.
Instead of talking about something else, okay?
Okay. So, I can't see, Bella. You're in the way.
The door is open.
Anyway. Oh, you nearly got a star. Yes, you got a star. Banana. Come on, then.
You
Guess
made
who
the
star?
robot
Oh,
smaller
I
for you.
just went for a second. Okay, you're tiny. Now let's play. I need to play for the camera.
You made the robot small.
Who knows we're doing the camera while we're playing the game? Well, my brother
Well
sorted
done.
it out, but if you have subscribed to him, then you just unsubscribe to him, and then you can't subscribe to me instead.
No, subscribe to both of us.
Okay, subscribe to both of us.
You made the robot
I did
small.
subscribe to me and my brother. I was just joking. I was just joking, you.
Excellent.
Keep in mind, I don't know if it's going to be my channel.
Yes, but at least I would get more than 1 subscriber. At least. I might get 2 subscribers. I might get 1. I might get none.
The door is open.
Yay! Oh! This big door.
You did
No,
it.
I don't want to cheat. Just do 1 time.
I'll subscribe to you.
Okay. I know. Are you on level 1 or 2?
You made the robot small.
Okay.
Excellent.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's
Brilliant.
later.
You
Yes.
collected all the stars.
No,
The
wait.
neurons will be very happy with those.
Now it's going to be so happy we're doing another one for my cousin, Marnie, but Marnie. I mean.
Computers and robots need instructions.
Marmalade, no, you're called Marmalade. I'm not called Marmalade. There we go, now let's start. Just sit here and relax. Yeah.
Nice jump.
La. Okay, go on. But can I just press it? Yeah.
Well done.
It's your turn. Okay, that one goes up. Yeah. Jump.
Nice jump.
Nice jump. Pull the lever. Oh, Cuba.
The door is open.
Go sideways.
You did it.
Now let's just pull the lever. Now. Oh, cutie pie.
The door is open.
The door is open. Small little little baby,
You need the
small,
robot
yes,
small.
little baby.
Joe.
Now, this is going to be wrong. You said tiny.
Yes, little tiny, little baby.
You need the robot small. Well done.
Well done.
Tiny again.
Tiny, tiny again.
Tiny.
Bounce.
You need the robot small.
You need the robot small.
Barney Barney.
You need to cue the car.
You did
I
it.
almost did that in a minute. Hey, let me do it. You need to cue the car. You need to cue
The
the
door
car.
is
You
open.
need to cue it. You need to cue it. You need to cue the car. By the way, my cousin is singing that. Bella.
Excellent.
I can't believe it's my first ever video. Don't worry, you won't.
Don't worry, I won't even upload this video.
No.
You need the robot small.
Thanks.
Well done.
Yes.
you
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Brilliant. You collected all the stars. The neurons will be very happy with those.
No.
Because I'll be done. Be ready to go. And you can't do a video game for too long.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. And subscribe. And we're gonna do another video on level 2, and then another video on level 3. So
Press your hands to that like button, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
and peace and quiet.
And remember, there will be a link in the description to my channel, Racing Roshan, if you want to go and check that out. So that'll be the end of this video here. Remember, subscribe to
And
me
comment
and to Bella,
and comment.
saying what game you want her to play
Please
next.
comment. Oh, and we're gonna do another game of this on level 2, and then level 3, and that's all the levels.
And also, most people like having Slitherio videos.
Yeah, after all these Slithery videos, we're gonna do a Slithery video of all of us again. So bye, please subscribe, comment. Who's the best YouTube channels out of Bella of Racing Roshan? Please subscribe. Bye.